Good morning, scholars. Today we're going to continue our way through Pharr's Homeric Greek, a book for beginners, looking at the vocabulary and the text of Iliad, Book 1, lines 33 to 36. And this little stretch is rather straightforward after the speech, because again we return to narrative, wonderful indicatives, and no real fancy structures. So it's really just a matter of the vocabulary. Okay, so this is beginning, of course, with the priest's reaction to Agamemnon's harsh words. Hos hepat єδδεισεν δογερόν kai ἐπείθετο μουτoi, τέκε on parathina πολύφλοισβος θαλάσσης, πολλά δεπέτ απανιού τέκε on ἐρᾶτο γεραίος, Apolloni anakte ton ukamos teke leto. Again. Hos epat єδδεισεν δογερόν kai ἐπείθετο μουτoi, τέκε on parathina πολύφλοισβος θαλάσσης, πολλά δεπέτ απανιού τέκε on єρᾶτο γεραίος, Apolloni anakte ton ukamos teke leto. Okay, so as far as vocabulary, the first word, hos, which means thus or in that way, pointing backwards. Єπείθετο, which is an imperfect third singular of ράομαι, to speak. Єδδεισεν, from first aorist third singular of δέδω, to be afraid or to feel fear. And so єδδεισεν δογερόν, this is, you have the doubling of the delta, which is required by the meter. Then we have, of course, geron, gerontos, old man. And then ἐπείθετο, imperfect of πέθωμαι. Muto, dative singular of mutos, something said, an utterance. Then we have be, the third singular, second aorist of vαίνω, to go or to make one's way. And then ἔκιον, a adverb meaning silently. He went without speaking, silently. And then dinos, masculine, which is the beach or the shore of the sea. Dinos. And then we have the wonderful word polύfλοισβος, which is loud sounding or voiceful, referring to the ocean. And think of the ocean and polύfλοισβος, the sound that the ocean makes. Θάλασσης, of course, is the sea. Θάλασσα is the sea. Heis. And then we have pola. Pola here is what's called a cognate accusative, serving as the object of єρᾶτο. And we'll see єρᾶτο is he prayed. Pola, he prayed many things. Pola єρᾶτο. So pola, many things he prayed. He prayed a lot. He much prayed. And then we have ἐπείθετο, which is just continues the action. Then, therefore, after that. Another adverb, apaneuten, aside, apart from, aloof. And that we're going to see that quite a bit, I think 3 times in these early bits. And then we have kīon, a second aorist participle, masculine singular. And of course the ending is like that of the present participle, but you see the accent on the final syllable, which is the tip-off that you're dealing with a second aorist participle, besides, of course, knowing your principal parts. And so the aorist principal parts are kīon without the augment, or єκιον. Homer can do either, depending on what he needs. So then we have like єράτο, which has been, of course, elided because of the next word begins with a vowel, from ράομαι, which is to pray, and then geraios, or he gerae, is an old man or an old woman, and is always used of a dignified person. Okay, and then we have the wonderful epithet for lito, eukamos, with beautiful hair. Here, note that adjectives using the masculine for the feminine are called adjectives of two endings, and most such adjectives are compounds. So here we have the os ending, the Omicron sigma ending, stands for both, or does duty for both masculine and feminine, and the Omicron nu, of course, is your neuter endings. So then we have leto, letus, lito, of course, the mother, leto, of course, the mother of Apollo, and then teke, the third singular second aorist of tíktω, the word of a mother, which means to bear, to give birth to. So that's our vocabulary, and again, like I say, there's nothing very complex with this grammar. So here we go. Ho sepat єδδεισεν dogeron kai ἐπείθετο mutoi, tēke on paratina polύφλοισβος o thalases, pola de peta panu tēke on єράτο geraios, apolone anakte ton eukamos tēke leto. So one final time with pauses so you can repeat after me. Ho sepat єδδεισεν dogeron kai ἐπείθετο mutoi, tēke on paratina polύφλοισβος o thalases, pola de pet apanu tēke on єράτο geraios, apolone anakte ton eukamos tēke leto. So again, one last time. Ho sepat єδδεισεν dogeron kai ἐπείθετο mutoi, tēke on paratina polύφλοισβος o thalases, pola de peta panu tēke on єράτο geraios, apolone anakte ton eukamos tēke leto. Okay. I guess I apologize for forgetting to include Pharr's commentary with this, but it more or less speaks for itself, and wonderfully so. Okay? Ton eukamos tēke leto. Okay, folks, have a great day. Bye-bye. Keep working hard. As you see, it's certainly worth it. Goodbye.